Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. It is that time of month again where I am going to tell you all about the eyeshadow palettes that I used in the month of November. I cannot believe November is over already. That's crazy, but we're going to talk about my November eyeshadow palettes. So if you want to see what I used for the month of November and hear my thoughts on everything, then keep watching. If you're new to my channel and never saw my monthly eyeshadow palette review videos, welcome. I have a whole entire playlist. It is linked in the description box if you guys want to check out every other month's videos. But I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. I made an Excel spreadsheet and I use a random number generator to pick a palette unless I buy a palette or if I get one in my Ipsy bag. I'm kind of just doing this to declutter. The first eyeshadow palette I used is the Beauty and the Beast palette from Sigma. Beauty and the Beast is my favorite movie ever. It's my favorite Disney movie, if any of you care. So when I saw this palette, I needed it. This is the first Beauty and the Beast makeup collab that I've ever been like, oh my god, I want that. So I was really excited to get this, and I've never had a Sigma eyeshadow palette, so this is my first one in my collection, and it is worth every penny. The shadows are beautiful. I love how some of them have like the blue, which is Beast, has the Beast in it. Bella's probably easier to see, but Bella's in there. Potts has Miss Potts. Then Cogsworth right here has Cogsworth. Bookworm is a book. They're just so cute. I really love the mattes in this palette. They're really easy to use, very blendable, and the shimmer shades are absolutely stunning. I love this palette. I kind of want to do a full in-depth swatch and review video on this, so if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. Next up is this Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Decadent palette. So I got this from Target. Makeup Revolution is sold at Target, if you guys did not know. It's a good brand. I really love their eyeshadows. The mattes are really easy to work with. They blend beautifully, and the shimmer shades are stunning. I just don't love this palette. It is just too warm, and the shadows are too light. Like, there's no like super deep rich brown. I just feel like that is missing from this palette, so I think I might be getting rid of this. Next we have the Destino palette from LMR Cosmetics. This was in my Ipsy for the month of November, and I do not like this palette. The colors are beautiful, do not get me wrong, but I only really used Timba, which is this light brown shade, and that was really it. The color story just isn't my vibe, and I absolutely hate the packaging because you have to use this little slide thing to lock and unlock your palette, and I just do not like that. I was so bummed about this palette when I saw it because I've never used Alamar before, and I really was excited to try something from them, and this was just a total letdown, so I will also not be keeping this palette. And last is the ColourPop Wild Nothing palette. So I do not remember where I got this. I don't know if I got it from the ColourPop website or Ulta, but I don't think it's available anymore, which absolutely stinks because this palette is just so pretty. And I know it looks like a really springy palette because I feel like it's very pastel-y, but I created some pretty fall looks with it, and it's all thanks to this shade right here, No Bounds, because it's that really dark like chocolatey brown shade that makes your look more fall. I love this shade, Seashells. It's a really pretty gold or green. Just all the shimmers are really pretty. I love this palette. If you've never tried ColourPop in general, you definitely have to because their shadows are just the best and they're so affordable. Overall, I think this month was alright. I'm definitely keeping two in my collection, the Beauty and the Beast palette from Sigma and ColourPop Wild Nothing. Up in the air about the Makeup Revolution palette. Definitely getting rid of the Alamar Destino palette. It is what it is, but my collection has been getting a little smaller, which is great. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the palettes I used for this month, and let me know if you want any specific videos. I definitely want to do a video with the Beauty and the Beast palette from Sigma, so stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!